Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a Discord server. So in order to do this, you can use your Discord on web, Discord on mobile or Discord software installed on your PC. Now after you log into your Discord application or web, you will see this Discord dashboard. In order to delete any server, simply select the server that you want to delete from the list of servers on the left side of your screen. So I'm going to choose this server to delete. Make sure the server that you're trying to delete is your own server. So after clicking on the server that you want to delete, click on this small drop down icon just at the top left of that server. From here, you'll have to click on servers setting button. Now you will see an overview of your server and all the settings for your server on this page. You will see roles, emojis, stickers, apps, moderation, community, monetization and all the options available at the left side of your screen for your server. So scroll down at the bottom of these settings and click on delete server button. After you click on delete server, you'll have to enter your server's name. Now after entering your server's name in this field, you'll have to click on delete server button. After that, you will see that your server has suddenly disappeared and that server is completely deleted from your Discord. So that's how you delete your server on Discord. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.